Morning guys, we're at Durban Harbour this morning. It's the 26th of January 2023. We're going to be trying Durban Harbour. It's not my luckiest place to fish. I haven't been so lucky here, but we are going to try. So let's hold thumbs and I'll catch you on the camera if anything happens, and yeah, we'll see you now. Thanks, cheers. Alright guys, we're going to try into the and see what happens. There's a lot of activity, but I don't think it's kingfish or anything. I think it's like more like mullet. You can see here, it's like a lot of mullet or something. They're definitely not taking the drop shot. I'm using a 1/16 ounce jig head with a 2.5 inch river prawn. So this is see anything bites. Hopefully we get something. Yeah, the harbour is dirty, man. A lot of rubbish. One yacht is sunk. You can see there. Take a closer look just now. Oh, a lot of fish jumping there. I think it's mullet. I'm not too sure if we're allowed to fish in the harbour here. I don't see anyone fishing. Seems very quiet, yeah. But obviously we'll just wait for law enforcement so they're allowed to fish. Or maybe I'm just fishing the wrong tides, but obviously after a night shift, only time we can fish. Into drop shot sink. Twitch, twitch, twitch. Let it sink. Alright guys, I'll catch you on camera if I do catch anything. See you now. Alright guys, seem to have no luck on the river prawn. So I'm going to go to the 2.5 inch paddle tail glow. And we're going to see. Obviously McCarthy baits. I'm going to change it over now and see what happens. A lot of mullet activity jumping around. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll try and persist and see if we can catch something, even something small. Let's just change this bait over quickly. much. Straight and inside. We're along. Make sure it's straight. Awesome. First cast. Let's go for it. There's that yacht I was talking about. Shame. Some guys' dream boats was going down in the harbour. First cast. Let's see. Let it sink. See all the mullet jumping. That's normal for a harbour, that. You always get the mullet action. Alright, first cast, nothing happened. Hopefully my luck changes, yeah? Oh, I've had terrible luck fishing the yacht bowl of this little jetty. The biggest things I've caught here is walla walla. And maybe the odd small kingfish now and then, but mostly walla walla. Which is not our target species. We would like to have some kingfish or something. Even if it's a small one, I don't mind. Hi guys, catch you, and hopefully I'll catch something on the camera. See, no. I think I got something on. Oh. Some quite like a snapper sort of thing. Lovely little fish. Got spikes too. Like a little snapper sort of thing. Got nice teeth. I want to try a lift with it. There he is, guys. Nice little fish. Something. Let's release him. Hey now. with me. And off he goes. At least we didn't come here for nothing. Caught something. Broke the ass of a different species. That's a good thing. Let's try the next throw. That just bit very close to the side. More like a reef fish, I think. Some sort of snapper. That was on the glow, 2.5 inch paddle tail with a 116 pounds jig head. Got the sharp little teeth, that little fish. Oh, stuck in the rock. Alright, see now, you go and tangle myself. Hey guys, got something on here. Not sure what it is. Looks like a perch. Yeah, small perch. Awesome little fish. On the 116 pound jig head. The 2.5 inch river prawn paddle tail. Let's release this little bugger. Awesome. 2 fish, 2 different species for the yacht mole. Count is going up. Lovely little fish. Let's release him. That's the first perch for me on drop shot. It's a new species. Hopefully there's more to come. I thought I was actually stuck on the rock. Then I just felt him pulling. I said, oh awesome, the fish is on. So let's try again, maybe something else. Looks like every time I come to the harbour I catch the reef fish. I don't actually catch like a game fish or like kingfish, and oh there I'm stuck in the rock. Let's see if my door trick works. Oh there we are. Just pull your line a little bit tight. And once your rod is like bent, release the bell on, and it should like spring loose. or spring back and actually like shoot your jig head back. Seems to work for me. Hopefully it works for you guys too. Alright guys, I'll catch you just now. Maybe something else will bite. They don't seem to bite when the camera's on. I've had that luck. When the camera's on, fish don't bite. Camera's off, fish will bite. So if I get anything else, I'll put you back on the camera and let you know. Thanks guys. Got something else on. Getting a little bit better. Ah, came off. Came off just here. That must have been like a little flathead, a bar-tail flathead or something. Let's try that again. Small fish guys, small fish. But at least the bite's starting to come. Something's starting to happen now. Took long enough. I lost him because I tried to turn the camera on while I was busy. While he was busy giving me a little fight. And while I was trying to keep him here in the shallows, he must have somehow unhooked himself. So unlucky we didn't get to see what it was, but it was on. It was on. Oh, stuck again. Alright guys, let me try to get it again. See you now. Alright guys, like I was saying, you do get stuck. It doesn't always work when you pull it tight and you release the bell arm. You do get stuck now and then. But then you just hold the reel, hold the drag. You give slight tension to the rod and hopefully it comes loose like I just did now. But your hook will bend. Always nice to have a bit of a pliers next to you just to bend your hook straight or back and straight again. But now that's my catch now. Plastic bag, Durban Harbour. Welcome. Try again. Hey guys, I'm gonna call it a day. Yes, like I said, the fish count was just that little snapper. I think it's a lane snapper, and a little perch, and obviously something very small I lost. I was trying to get it for you on camera, and I was taking too long. And yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully we can fish again the weekend. Try and go for some kingfish or something. That is my target species. Something that's can actually give a fight. Something you can fight back. Yeah, thanks for watching guys, and enjoy the rest of your day, and hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.